Most people assume loading a Walmart money card is complicated or requires a bank transfer. Then they end up wasting time or paying extra fees at the wrong place. Here's the truth no one tells you. Loading money onto your Walmart money card is actually fast and simple if you know the right methods. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to load a Walmart money card in 2026 step by step, so you can add money safely and use it instantly. Let's break it down clearly. First, your Walmart money card is managed through the Walmart money card system, which allows multiple ways to add funds depending on your situation. Now here's where it gets interesting. You don't just have one way to load money. You have several options, and choosing the right one depends on speed, cost, and convenience. So let's go step by step. The first and most common method is loading cash at a Walmart store. You go to the cashier or money center, hand over your card, give the cash, and it gets added instantly. Now imagine someone like Alex. He gets paid in cash and walks into Walmart. Within minutes, his money card balance updates, and he is ready to shop or pay bills. But here's the problem most people run into. They don't realize that not every register can load money, or they visit outside money center hours, which delays the process. Now let's talk about another method. You can load money using direct deposit. This is one of the easiest and most automatic ways. Your employer sends your paycheck directly to your money card account. Now here's something important. Direct deposit is usually the fastest and safest method because you don't need to visit a store at all. Now let's move to another option. You can also reload your card using participating retailers or third-party cash reload networks. These locations allow you to add cash, but fees may vary depending on the service. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some users also transfer money from a bank account or a digital wallet, depending on what features are enabled on their card. So let's simplify everything. To load your Walmart money card, you can use cash at Walmart, direct deposit from your employer, or approved reload locations and transfers. Now here's the biggest mistake people make. They assume all loading methods are instant and free, but some third-party reload services may charge fees or take longer to process. So always check the method before loading money. Now let's make it simple. If you want instant access, use cash loading at Walmart or direct deposit. If you want convenience, set up automatic deposits and avoid store visits completely. Once you understand these options, managing your money card becomes easy and stress-free. So here is the final takeaway. Walmart money card loading in 2026 is flexible, fast, and convenient, with multiple ways to add money depending on your needs. If this helped you understand how to load your Walmart money card step by step, like, comment, and subscribe for more simple financial guides like this.